your news, current affairs, and public service channel, Margo TV Philippines, live.
Kababaihan ang pag-uusapan natin sa araw na ito. Dito lang sa Ikaw ang Bida, dito lang sa Margo TV Live Philippines. Our special guest, ito special to sa akin eh. Women with a strong heart and a great warrior. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us welcome the beautiful lady, Miss Jing De Los Reyes.
Thank you for that, Rain. What a great and kind introduction for me. I'm very happy, very fortunate no, nandito ako ngayon sa stasyon ninyo, sa TV Margo.
Okay, maraming salamat. Welcome sa Ikaw ang Bida. So, ikaw ang bida ngayong araw na ito.
Yes.
Ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayong araw na ito is about women empowerment. Tell me something about yourself muna, then about the women empowerment.
Gusto ko munang batiin ng lahat sa nakikinig ngayon who are also watching with us right now live. Of course, to all the women out there who really advocates the empowering women, maraming salamat for watching with us right now. I'm Jean De Los Reyes, a simple mom with a great 2 young men, of course. My advocacy and really fighting for empowering women is that I want to be inspired and inspire women. And of course, not only that, to lead the compassion, to be a good servant of God in the church. At the same time, I'm working, ma'am, yes, doing for something for financially so that you can also give good things in our society.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, what is women's empowerment for you?
Siyempre, basically, ang empowering women ay nilalaban yung ating karapatan being empowered. So, sabi nga nila, we are the gift of the world as a mother, as a woman. No, kinakailangan natin, ipinaglalaban natin advocacy, lalo na mga kababaihan ngayon, especially for the generation X, Y, what I'm representing right now.
Okay, thank you. How do you empower yourself and the women's around you?
Actually, there are things that I want to give points, no. Syempre, lalo na yung mga kababaihan. We have to at least be positive, no?
Yes,
lalo na
yes,
sa
positive.
lalo na sa mga surroundings natin, kinakailangan natin maging positive, magkaroon ng confidence man lang sa sarili, no? Para everything what we're doing is we can do, we can achieve, right?
Yes.
Syempre, magkaroon tayo ng self-love as a mother, as a woman, and as a woman in the community, nararapat yun. Because all that female possess should have a woman na kinakailangan ng isang babae sa mundo. Kaya ganun ang dapat. Ganun ang dapat magkaroon ang isang babae. Lalo na your advocacy with empowering women.
Lalo na ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, mga
Yes.
maraming naaabusong kababaihan, left
Yes.
over, naaapi.
So kinakailangan natin, hanggat maaari, is we have to develop a positive attitude. That is very important rin. So, karamihan kasi ngayon, lalo na yung noong mga unang panahon ng kababaihan,
Yes.
no? Wala
Hindi kinikilala.
hindi nila pinaglalaban ang kanilang mga karapatan. At talagang they're only in their comfort zone. So right now kasi, women are very innovative. They're really empowered to really basically sinasabi nila sa mundo, they have the right, they are empowering women talaga.
Saka equal na ang
Yes,
women
yes,
saka men.
Yeah, kasi hindi kinakailangan na ang lalaki ang nangunguna sa society. It should be like equal, no?
Marami na tayong leader na
you're
babae
correct.
sa panahon natin ngayon.
At the same time, kinakailangan we have to be when we use a positive talk to other people, lalo na sa community natin, importante yun. Hindi dapat tayo dapat maging magandang halimbawa tayo sa komunidad natin, especially kahit sa bahay, being a mom, right? So sabi nga nila, paano tayo tutularan ng mga kabataan o sa ating komunidad if we ourselves are not a good example?
Yes.
Kaya dapat yung mga kababaihan, especially the innovative women, be careful on using the social media right now, no? We have to be careful. So dapat yung mga pinopost natin ay mga
Yes.
positive
Hindi yung
lang.
nakaano.
Yes. Kasi si social media naman hindi naman tumutulong sa problema natin.
Yes.
Kung ano yung nararamdaman natin, dapat hindi natin pinopost doon sa social
Hindi,
media.
why? Why
Yeah,
kaya?
kasi it gives us an impact rin as a woman. Parang wala tayong kaaway doon, but we're just inviting negative vibes
yes.
na, 'di ba? So parang feeling ko it's not advisable talaga na magkaroon tayo
Makipag-away.
Yun ang hindi maganda.
Tapos sumagot ng mga negative.
Yes, correct. So dapat hindi po tayo ganoon. So yun siya. So we have to surround ourselves with the positive people. Yan ang maganda. Kasi
yan
sabi nga
nila, yung mga friends with positive.
Yes. Kasi kahit malungkot ka, nangihina ka, as long as yung kapwa mong kasama mo ay talagang positibo to reach their goal in life, na talagang hopeful, things will be better. So pati ikaw, kausap ka niya, maging positibo parati. Kahit gaano pa man yan, you've been struggling, you've been in the crisis, maging positibo ka pa rin. Kasi, and I know that, with that spirit, especially nga, di ba, usually sa mga Chinese, they believe on the lucky charm, right? And which is right. So kung talagang positive ang surrounding mo with a positive spirit, talagang magiging positibo ka talaga.
Oo. Huwag kang sumama sa mga negative people. Hihilahin ka nila sa pababa.
Yes, correct.
Okay, another question. What makes you a strong woman?
Para sa akin, those kind of traits, Rain, no? Being self-confident yourself, productive, of course, and very optimistic, and go-getter ka, and fear-taker. So, dapat nangunguna pa rin yung positibo. Dapat parati mong iniisip that kaya mo ang lahat. Yun ang mga bagay na dapat mong natutunan.
Saka importante, sabi mo nga, meron kang mga kaibigan na positive ang buhay.
Yes,
kasi pag ang kasama puro nagrereklamo sa buhay, parang negative kagad yung mareklamo.
Correct.
At yung mga nanlalait talaga.
Pati ikaw tuloy.
Mahahawa ka, pati ikaw manlalait ka na rin.
Yes, correct. Madali kasi ang duplication ng negativity. Dapat you have to surround it with the people around you who are really on a positive way. At saka, syempre, dapat mag-stand ka talaga sa sarili mo. To make a strong woman, you should believe
yourself.
Yeah. And you should be proud. You should not be unbothered to surround you. You always think na kaya mo. Ikaw yun hindi silang nagpapalamon sa as long as wala kang inaapakan, just keep on going, ika nga, di ba?
Kasi karamihan sa babae ngayon parang laging naaawa sa sarili, gato na lang ako, at maraming kababaihan na naaapi ngayon. Pero if you have a positive, marami kang magagawa. Marami kang pwedeng puntahan, tulungan, humingi ng tulong.
Correct ka. Precisely. Kaya nga, ako'y talagang nag-iimbita sa mga kababaihan na dapat ay perseguido sila. Whatever their goals, whatever their plans and path, they should believe first in themselves. The beauty within. So, hindi dahil porque wala kang pera, ay talagang isip mo kasi pang mayaman lang yan or pang ano. Dapat i-ano mo sa sarili mo na talagang kaya mo Kasi you've been born to be skilled, right? So, talagang kung desidido ka talaga maging magandang buhay natin, then you have to look unto it na kaya mo ang mga bagay na para maging positive ka.
Kaya kailangan maniwala ka sa sarili mo na kaya mo.
Yes, precisely. Correct.
Ikaw mismo ang tutulong. Siyempre, nandiyan ang God. Ikaw mismo ang tutulong sa sarili mo.
Correct. So,
kung di mo gagawin yung mga bagay, maging positive sa buhay, hanggang dyan ka na lang.
Yes,
patuloy kang aapihin, patuloy kang kawawa, kasi karamihan ngayon, naaawa sa sarili, hanggang dito
yan,
na lang. Ayan kasi yung isa sa mga kultura natin.
We should not limit ourselves. We should go beyond out of the box parati. You have to think out of the box parati. Kasi mahirap kung halimbawa yung pag-iisip mo hanggang doon lang. Do not pity yourself na hindi mo kayang isang bagay. Kaya nga sabi nila, you have to explore and be adventurous, right?
So, hindi ka lang nandun sa loob ng bahay, makipag-marites ka rin.
Yeah.
Marites,
tama ka.
Mariset.
Lalo na sa mga ka-KK mo, alam mo na kung sino sila, di ba?
Syempre, mag-zumba ka.
Yes, oo. So, yeah, I experienced that when there are moments na kasi parang you feel that you are neglected in the society.
Oo.
Parang feeling mo lang, no?
Feeling lang
Kasi
yun.
hindi ka na level up. But alam mo, nasa sa atin yan eh. We have to grow kahit nasa bahay lang tayo. Kaya sa mga mommy dyan, hindi, you know, the career of a woman, even a mom, no, are too busy. Mas grabe pa sa pagiging empleyado.
Yes, mas ang mga nanay ang pinakamabigat na
Yes,
profession sa ating
At
mundo.
naranasan ko rin yan, Rain. Ikaw ang taglaba, taglahat, di ba? Tagalinis, lahat. Kasi you want to give more good example to your children as they grow. Also, they can duplicate that. My mommies was so good. Ang
Yes,
bait
totoo
niya.
yan. Kung positive ang mother,
Yes.
pati yung mga anak.
Yes, ganun nga yun eh.
Kasi kung karamihan ngayon napapansin ko, pag kawawa ka, api-apihan ka, yung mga anak mo, ganun din ang mentalidad nila.
Correct, tama ka dyan. Kaya hanggat maari, maging halimbawa tayo sa sarili nating pamamahay muna bago sa society natin, sa community natin. Just what Rotarians doing and mga Soroctomies, the other mga involuntary organization, di ba? Ginagawa nila kasi they have a good deeds, magagandang kanilang puso, at they want to empower not only sa sarili nila but also to the community as well. Correct?
Wow, dami natin na pag-uusapan at ang gaganda.
Yes.
Saka napapanahon ngayon panahon ngayon ng mga kababaihan
correct.
na dapat ma-empower talaga. Okay, next question to. How can women stand in solidarity with each other?
Hindi naman to pang Miss Universe.
Yes, pang Miss Universe. Meron akong question sa'yo pang Miss Universe.
Sabay ganun, parang nagugulat tuloy ako, pang Miss Universe yata ito. That is what you're talking about, women stand in solidarity, no, with each other. How ba? So actually, none of us are equal until all of us are equal, no. So no matter where you live or what gender you are, no, yun talaga dapat you have the voice to fight. And now is the time. Hindi kinakailangan dahil ikaw ay Becky Bush or ano ka ba, di ba? Sabay ganon, no? By standing with all women around you, especially the girls, no, the young women, the people who defend their women rights, by challenging the discriminatory social norms and promoting equal rights of all, that's how a woman stand in solidarity with each other. Ganon yun. So dapat hindi sila maapektuhan discrimination.
Mamaya pag-uusapan natin discrimination.
Yes, sa bagay.
O napapanahon niya mga, ang dami na nadidiscriminate eh.
Correct. They're been bullied, no?
Emotionally
abused,
physically, mentally.
Ganon. So dapat yun. Dapat maniwala ka sa sarili mo, hindi pwedeng surrounding mo yung nauuna, di ba?
Saka hindi pwedeng yung surrounding mo nagdidikta sa iyo.
Correct. Precisely.
Kung ano ka.
Because you're a wonderful gift from God.
Yes, an apple of the eye.
Yes, you're right.
Okay, next, how can we expand women's link to each other? Example, coaching, networking, membership.
Yeah, as what I've said, I'm a financial stewardship, no, not to mention the company, but then mentoring is such powerful.
Yes, mentoring,
very, very
caring,
powerful.
mentoring.
Yeah, kasi doon mo na-duplicate ang pagiging good leader mo. Kung ano yung good example na tutunan mo at paano mo rin natutulungan ng isa't isa. Syempre, by coaching them, guiding them, leading them into the right way, Rain, that will become a good mentor. No? You're a good mentor kasi you're empowering something in you na parang, eto si Jean, pwede tong turuan ko at maging empowering din tulad ko. Diba? So, that is very important. So, that development of tool that is often misunderstood sometimes, no? Therefore, all individuals and organization, as long as you're doing coaching, mentoring to each other, just what happened sa mga networking, di ba? Paminsan, nagkakaroon sila ng good business because they have a good, not only good network, because they do something right. Yun. So, dinuduplicate sila ng tao.
Tama ka, they're doing something right. If you're doing something right, yung right kasi meron ding gumagawa ng hindi mabuting mga kababaihan natin ngayon. Dapat importante yung gumawa ka ng tama.
Tama ka naman, syempre. So, although mentoring comes in many forms, no? Pero mentoring, however, traditionally will give an impact for being a mentor. Yes.
Yes.
So, yun siya. So, dapat you always copycat the good leader, the good ones.
Yes.
Yung mga successful yan. Huwag kang mag-copycat sa mga wala naman ginawa kundi
Magmarites,
magmarites,
maricol, manlait.
manglait, yes. And
Oo.
putting yourself, yun, na maliit ka.
Number one is yung huwag kang sumama sa mga negative people.
Correct, precisely rin. Kaya nga dapat ganun parati ang buhay. Sabi nga nila, uy, di ba paminsan, sa dami mong ginagawa sa buhay, hindi mo tuloy alam kung saan yung tama doon. Pero dahil gusto mo, you love what you're doing and you love the things that what happening to you, ginagawa mo siya because you love what you're doing, di ba?
Yes.
So,
Basta
okay
nasa
lang
mabuti,
yun.
ha?
Yeah,
Basta
okay
nasa
lang yun
mabuti.
kahit pagod ka, di ba? So,
Nag-i-enjoy ka.
Yes, parang tayo din, di ba? So, dito, dyan. Pero tuloy ang buhay, di ba? So,
Tuloy ang
ganun
buhay.
yan. Yun.
Whatever happens,
Yes,
continue
correct.
your life with positive.
Parati, dapat. So, yan.
Okay, may question ako. Ito pang Miss Universe to.
Ano naman yan?
What is the essence of being a woman?
Talaga naman. Actually, there is no what you call this best ingredient. It's coming from within your heart, no.
Yeah.
But as long as you have the self-confidence, self-esteem, you're spiritually empowered also. Kasi mahirap yung parang ano mo lang parang ikaw lang. Dapat you are blessed, no, sa taas.
Yes.
Dapat marunong ka rin magdasal.
Dapat may connection
Yeah,
ka.
you have connection with the Lord, with God. Kasi pag wala kang Holy Spirit within you, nothing is like gratefulness you're doing. Medyo, ako kasi, I believe kasi this life is only a temporary journey in this
Totoo
world.
yan.
So yan. So dapat mayroon ka pa rin blessing ni Lord, no? So yun. So the substance there is kung ano yung nasa puso mo at kung anong ikaw, no? Hindi mo kinakailangan mag-pretentious, no? So yun, tapos gumawa ka ng kabutihan. So,
Meron marami nagpipretend ngayon.
Correct.
Na mabait.
So yun. At saka wag nating kalimutan, especially mga empowering women, self-love talaga.
Ang mahalin mo ang sarili mo sa maging positive. Ayan, ang dami kong natutunan sa iyo. Ang mahalin ang sarili at maging positibo sa buhay.
Yes.
Choose to be happy.
Yeah. Oo. Kasi hindi magagawang isang bagay kung hindi mo mahal ang isang sarili mo. Hindi mo siya. Nothing will be impossible.
Paano ba mahalin ang sarili? Baka hindi pa nila alam kung paano mahalin ang sarili.
Siyempre, like if you are working mom, you have to equip yourself always. Like ako, pwede akong maging nanay, pwede akong maging trabahante, pwede akong maging model, pwede akong maging fashionista. So yun, mahal ko ang sarili ko. Inuuna ko muna yung sarili ko bago ko mahalin ang isang tao. Bago ang anak ko, bago ang asawa ko, bago ang mga kaibigan ko, syempre. Parang sabihin kasi ng komunidad, how do you love me if you don't know how to love yourself at all?
Yes.
So you have to equip yourself in a manner na dapat mahalin mo ang sarili mo first. Marunong ka maglaban. Confidently, you need to fight what's the negative within you. Dapat positibo ka parati sa buhay. Yun po.
Speaking of negative, ano masasabi mo sa anong mga payo mo advice sa mga body shaming, yung nanghihiya ng ng tao, anong magandang gawin o anong ma-advise mo?
Actually, that is my advocacy before when I was being Mrs. Universe Finest Woman for my size, yes, for the plus size.
Oo.
Of course, body shaming is not good.
Explain mo muna ang body shaming.
Yeah, yung mga binubuli ka dahil ikaw ay mataba, ikaw ay pangit, dahil hindi flawless ka, yung mga ganon. Pero kung believe ka sa sarili mo, you have the confidence enough to stand in this world na I'm prettiful, I'm much maganda. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfectly Coca-Cola ang body. As long as you have a good advocacy to your society. Like ako, I'm doing this because I want to promote something within me na as a woman, hindi lang tayo mahina, not powerfully but powerful, like even though you are not a Miss Universe at all, but you can
Yes.
do such a little things in your community at the same time to yourself. So hindi mo kinakailangan magkaroon ng title, hindi mo kinakailangan maging sexy at all, as long as
Yes.
positibo ka, nagtatrabaho ka, gumagawa ka ng paraan para sa family mo.
Mm.
Importante kasi yung mga bagay na yun.
O
So
yan mga kababaihan na-empower kayo da mga sinasabi ni Miss Jing de los Reyes. Naku, napaka-importante ang positive.
correct. Tama
Positive
ka.
sa
Tama ka
buhay.
rin. Tama ka.
Okay, my question again. Why women should be empowered?
Bakit?
Why?
Kailangan. Kasi pag hindi mo siya, pag ang babae kasi hindi empowered, syempre, ang society natin, he will not be equally, treat.
Fit.
Yeah, oh.
Mm.
Kasi like ngayon, minsan nangunguna ng babae sa being powerful in the society, no?
Oo.
Para maging equally ang rights nila sa mga lalaki din, no?
Mm.
Kasi karamihan sa mga kababaihan ngayon, sila pa ang mas naghahanap buhay para sa family nila.
Oo.
Sila yung gumagawa ng paraan para sa mga anak nila. They are very powerful in the sense na they're skilled, and their ability to duplicate themselves to the community and to the world is para talagang may very meaningful yun. So kinakailangan they should be empowered in this world, parang ganun. So kailangan lang silang may corona talaga, no? The reason why.
Tanong ko lang, may mga samahan ba kayo o organization na nag-empower women, o may mga pupunta kayo sa mga depressed area, sa mga babaeng nadidepress? May mga organization ba kayo, samahan?
Yeah, we have. Actually, our advocacy is actually, especially ma-mention ko, Seroptomist International, One Founder Manila.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we are actually helping young girls, no? Especially yung mga gustong mag-aral na kaso wala silang
pang-aral.
Yeah, pang-aral. They have no means. But because these empowering girls from Seroptomist, or even in Rotary, di ba? May empowering girls tayo. So so we do a training and seminar even in the barangays, no? Just to educate the community, to all women's, na talaga yung mga physically abused, emotionally abused, mga anti-bullying, how they can prevent yung mga nasasaktan sila sa kanilang asawa, di ba? So, we as the empowering leader, we educate people, mga ganon. So, yun ang mga ginagawa namin. Actually, we have a lot here in the Philippines. Maraming samahan na ganyan. But us kasi, all I know, I am affiliated, of course, the Rotary. Yan. No?
Yeah, Rotary.
Maano talaga si Rotary. Maraming mga project nila ganyan. No? The Seroptomist International, yan ang nagbibigay din mga unsung heroes sa mga kabataan na talagang persigido. They want to finish their studies, to reach their goals in life. At marami pa, even the finest woman in this world, they do a lot of project. For us, women in the society can be prevented and fight for their right to become more empowered. Yun.
Yan ako, ang dami natin na pag-usapan. I'm sure may part 2 tayo. Yes. Kasi parang kailangan pa natin expand Kailangan pa natin maraming matutunan ng ating mga audience sa araw na ito.
Correct.
Any last word for you?
Yes.
Miss Jing, bago tayo magtapos?
Anong gusto mong malapit na nga. Again, thank you very much for watching us, and hoping to the one who are watching live right now, just be empowered, no? Sabi ko nga kanina, more women should realize helping each other around them, like simple way, just cheering up on the woman beside you. If they feel they are neglected and rejected, you have to pray for them. Sharing your resource for them is very important. So again, women empowerment refers refers for making women powerful to make them capable of deciding for themselves. So again, I'm Jing De Los Reyes, making things empowered, especially for the woman out there. Empowered woman, empower women. So that's it. We are the gift in this world. So we are a mother as like Mother Saint Therese. Yes, no? So yun siya. We are called to embrace, to be life bearer, to nurture and to heal the world, to comfort the other woman. So God made us. So that's the empowering woman. So once again, maraming salamat po for watching us. With me is Rain and the Margo TV Live.
Okay, naku, ang dami-dami nating natutunan sa araw na ito tungkol sa mga kababaihan. I'm sure magkakaroon po tayo ng part 2. Okay, maraming salamat po sa mga nanood, sa ngalan ng aking mga staff, technical. God bless you po. Dito lang po tayo sa Ikaw ang Bida ni Rainbow Angelo. God bless you po.
Live from Quezon City, Philippines. Your news, current affairs, and public service channel, Margo TV Philippines.